Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. We draw a curve. We draw a big circle. We draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw a straight line. We draw it very carefully. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. We color it very carefully. Red color. Wow! It's so beautiful. Red color. Green color. Wow! It looks fabulous. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.